Negative thoughts attract negative realities into your life. But having negative thoughts is unavoidable. So, how do you deal with negative thoughts? Suppress them? Reject them? Replace them with positive thoughts? Instead, how about working with them? How about transforming your negative thoughts into positive thoughts, thus bringing about positive realities in your life? Here is a 4-step technique for doing that. Keep watching this video till the very end. A negative thought comes into your consciousness as a result of an incident or an event. This incident or event also carries a set of feelings. So, a negative thought equals incident or event plus set of feelings. The first step is to isolate that incident or event from the set of feelings. Why? So as to be able to deal with them separately. The second step is to focus on the set of feelings and experience them in their entirety. Instead of trying to wrestle with the negative feelings or replace them with positive feelings, simply accept the negative feelings for what they are and experience them in their entirety. The third step would be to take a break. Take a walk or sip a coffee, anything that gives you a break. This will get your mind off the hard work that you just did. The last step is to focus solely on the incident and flip it around positively. As an example, let's say you got turned down for a promotion. So, first step, isolate in your mind the incident of having turned down for a promotion from the feelings of anger, despair, hopelessness, and rejection. Second step, focus only on the set of these feelings without connecting them to any incident. Do not blame any person or system. Just be one with the feelings and experience them in their entirety. This is the power of acceptance at play. The third step is to take a break that will give your mind a fresh start after you return. The fourth step is to focus only on the incident of being denied a promotion. Focus on this incident only in your mind and flip it upside down. How? For example, you can imagine that you have a new job with a higher position, or you can imagine getting that promotion anyway without worrying about how that can happen. You are using your power of imagination here. As Neville Goddard says, this is living at the end of your desired outcome. What you have done here is taken a nasty incident experienced everything that it had for you, and then actively flipped it around. This is the way to deal with negativity rather than wrestling with a negative thought or giving it a positive spin, etc. Do you have any questions on how exactly this 4-step technique works? Incidentally, I have a much longer and detailed video on this topic. The link to this video is in the description. And if you still have questions, please do put them up on the comments. So, did you like this video? Do you think that it offered you insights and value? Please subscribe to my channel and like and share this video. Thanks for watching.